Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a collab called Hollywood Glam Tablescape 2020, hosted by Glam Ellen and Tammy, me, myself, and DIYing. Please be sure to go check out their channels, and the link to their channel will be in the description box. The rules for this challenge was to create a DIY Hollywood Glam, old or new. The items I DIY from my tablescape: the candlestick holder, which those two pieces were purchased from the Dollar Tree, painted those rose gold. I also DIY'd the wine cup with the rose gold stem. That was also purchased from the Dollar Tree, painted that rose gold. My centerpiece, I DIY that as well, and those are vases from the Dollar Tree. Put three together, painted those rose gold, added the saucer in the bottom to give it some stability, and some trim around that, and painted the entire centerpiece rose gold. I also did the floor arrangement on top of the centerpiece, included black feathers, gold sticks. For my tablescape, I also use paillette sequence table cover, along with the rose gold charger, rose gold flatware. For my tableware, I use the black and white stripe dinner plate, bowl, and underneath the bowl I included a black salad plate. And for my seating, I included the black shibari chair, and tied a black and white stripe around it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please continue to watch. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.